How to use Booking.com wallet feature. To use the Booking.com wallet feature, you must have an active Booking.com account. Then all you have to do is now simply check your balance by launching the website, sign into your account. From here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, head to the rewards and wallet section. From here, you can view your active balance, pending rewards, and critical expiration dates. And you can also search for eligible travel. Not all properties allow wallet payments, so you must filter your search. Head backwards, head to the search option, type in your destinations and dates, and within this filter, all you have to do is scroll downwards and then check the filter box for the pay with wallet option or accept online payments. From there, once you select it, all you have to do is tap on the show results and you will find the details or any stays that allow wallet payments. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.